good? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Rise and grind. I'm back at y'all with another video with the Pull-Up King. See what's going on. All right, man. I'm working on this beautiful 2017 392 Challenger, man. I'll be doing these coilovers on it. So we got, I'll take this tire off, get back here. Get in there. All right, what we got? Looking at this here. So basically we got to get this bolt undone. Get that stabilizer link undone. So we got a 18. This is an 18 mil. And that top one is going to be a 21. This control arm. We're going to be taking that. I'm doing that. Like I say, when you knock that loose, that knuckle come down. Got that motherfucker out. So he already had these on here, but he took them off because he had that wide body on there and it was scrubbing. I had to take off the wide body so he can put these back on without the scrub. So I'm gonna get them back right. Yes, sir. All right, that's the coil over going in. I set it in place, and now I'm going to put that stabilizer in first. Stabilizer link. I'm going to guide that in. And what I'm going to do is pull it out, swing it out, so now I can slide it in hole. So I'm going to do that real quick. Okay, now that I got it in a hole, as you can see, you can push it back and forth. So now I'm about to guide it in and put my other bolt in for the bottom. In position. Went ahead and put that in there. Before I tightened it down, now I'm gonna tighten everything down. There it is. Installed. Alright, we going to the rear. Alright, so let's see what we got. So we're gonna keep that strut on there. And the shock here is what we're replacing. We're gonna swap out. So we're gonna have to take out these bolts back here. There's one on that side and one on that side. Take those out. And drop the control arm. Okay, as you can see, I got that bolt pushed back. Push it back. And you want to get your jack. This is what you want to do. You want to use your jack to go up under that control arm so that spring won't pop it out. You know, because it's going to pop out right here when this goes low. Alright, this is where the shit get real. Alright, underneath, that's where that bolt was. I got it loose, got it out, and you see it just starts to push down. That spring's trying to pop on out. Alright, so now we can just lower it slowly, and it should come down. And let's see what we got next. Alright. Lower it in, it's moving away. away from it. See now, move that a little more. So it looks like we might have to take off that bolt there. Possibly, let's see. Might make it to where this drops more. Alright, got that bolt loose. That's an 18 mil. I went ahead and knocked it all the way out. And now I got more room. More play. Should be able to pull this out. Difference. Shorter makes it lower. Set that in position. Let's line up. And now we're gonna go back in reverse order. We gotta use this jack to get everything back up in position. So do that, push it all up. Alright, man, it's a whole trick to this thing, man. Gotta get the right position. The line needs to pose up, and you'll be all day and all night if you don't know what you're doing. I'm gonna go ahead and get that in there. Go ahead and reach the other side. And we tighten it up. I'm back at the bottom, and that's that bolt back in. Both sides. I have to use this here. It's a long extension. Put it up through here. And that's how I got to that bolt. And tighten that. It. All my bolts tight. Everything in there. Ring. Yes, sir. Like, comment, subscribe, man. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss these videos when I drop them, man. Got these coilovers in there. As you can see, I can't even put 4. I was just able to put 4. Got it to 3. Good 3. A little less than 3. But they're gonna squat some more. You can get to driving them after a while. Sit tight. Yes, sir.